Hi guys, the Cheeky Scouts are back. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration between moderators and silencers to see how well the noise is. I'm going to use a decibel meter. I have some well-known brands. I have, let's see what I've got. That's an engineered moderator. You can see it, blocking the light a little bit. That's a Virar silencer. Hugged Belita. A Swift Stumpy, which you can take apart. You can make small and large. I'll show you that later. And we have an extra. There seem to be some type of small problems with the Hugged Belita, so somebody has made a 3D printed insert to take the gubbins out of the inside of the Belita. Put this inside. I purchased this from Blackpool Air Rifles. So I'm going to get the decibel meter out. I'm going to use my Virar HW100. It's got a small bit of thread tape on the end just to keep the silencer from becoming loose when I use it myself. I'm going to shoot it first of all, no pellets. Then I'm going to add the silencer or moderator to it. Read the decibels, no pellets, and then I'm also going to put pellets in and read the decibel meter from there. So do we need a moderator, which is that one, or do we need some high-end silencers? We're just going to try and find out the difference now, so keep watching and I hope it's not too boring for you, and I'll try and go through as quick as I can. Just going to set the decibel meter up. Hope you can see that. Get these out the way. First of all, a shot with no pellets, bare barrel. Wow, that's very loud. 117.1. It's set on maximum. The reading won't go higher unless you get a louder noise from the rifle. So I'll now reset and put a silencer on the end. Right, here we go. First of all, a Swift Stumpy. Okay guys, here we go. One 105.1. 105.1, as I say, unless the noise is louder, the meter won't go higher. I'll reset, put another silencer on. Next up is the Hugged Belita. Okay, here we go. One oh 6.1. 106.5, 109.3, 109.3. Next up is the well-known Virarc silencer. Reset the decibel meter. There you go. 97.7, 99.6, 99.6, 99.6. So they were all silencers, and now I'm going to try a moderator. Okay, here we go. Wow, the moderator, slightly quieter, but when I say slightly quieter, I mean slightly quieter than what the rifle is without anything on the end. Wow, 114.9, I think that's about as high as it'll go. Very, very noisy. All I can say is I'd recommend you get a silencer and not a moderator. Take this off.